Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to draw realistic bubbles. So let's get started. So for this activity slash project, all you need is a pencil, a sharpener. It's like optional, so it's not really compulsory. Then you might need some color pencils. Then you might need some markers if you like, but I'm not really going to use them though. And then it's better for you guys to use a brush and then some water. So that's all you need for this experiment. So let's start. First, move all the things away from you so you won't have any disturbance. So let's move it out. Okay, now I have my paper. I'm going to keep the other paper away, but when you're painting, you can keep it under it. So first what you need to do is take a small place, or you can just use the whole paper. So I'm going to be using the whole paper. So in this step, you need the paper and the pencil, and use any bowl or something that you can use as a template for the shape that you're gonna do. So yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna take all these stuff out of my thingy, and then I'm going to be using this shape. I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be using this. And I'm going to be using this circle, and this circle, and the circle, and the circles inside. So these all are shapes that you can use as a template. So I'm going to be keeping every other things away from me. So no distractions. So guys, what you need to do next is you need to draw the circles with your template. So what I prefer doing is first go with the larger template, so you will have space. So I'm going to be first going with the bigger one. So I'm going to be drawing a big circle here. And the size is up to you. You can do whatever size you want, but make sure it's a circle, or if you want to go crazy, just make a triangle or a square if you want the bubble to be a weird shape. So I have the biggest circle here, and now I want to make a small circle with this line and keep it here like that, as so. And then I'm going to be using this big circle again and making a circle over here. So that's the big cup. The big cup is done. So next I'm going to be using this glue stick top thing here. So I'm going to be keeping it like this, and I'm going to make a line here. And you get a perfect small circle here. And then you can use this part, this circle if you want. I'm going to be doing it. So when you're doing this part, make sure that your cap is kind of straight, because some caps have the linings underneath. Okay, so I have my light circle here. Make sure to not make it really dark, because you might need to rub it later. Or you can make it lighter later. So then I'm going to be using this circle. I'm going to be keeping it here. So most of the glue sticks have a plain part on the top, so it's better to use the top. If you want, you can use the under part too, like this one. Now I'm going to be using this part and put it here. Just randomly place a ton of circles onto the paper. So I'll continue this video. I'm going to continue the next clip in seconds. 3, 2, 1. So guys, I'm done with all of my circles, so that's done. And next what I want to do is you need to take your color pencil. So I'm going to keep all of this away. So then you got to take all of your color pencils. I just got everything out here. Okay, so I'm going to keep all of this out so I can get everything as I want. So the colors that you need today is you basically need a dark blue, you need a light blue, you need, we need a light green, and we need purple, and you can use black for a little bit of shading. So that's mostly all the colors that you want to use for this thing. So let's keep the other colors back in place. Just keep that correct after some time. Okay, so I have all of my colors kept here. So what we're going to do first is you need to take your dark blue color pencil and make a line like on the top. So like make a dot from here to here, so you have like dots here. Like you make a chord. Like if you make a straight line, it's going to be a chord. So in that case, you just make it as straight as possible. Just don't make it really dark, just make it light, so you know to how much you want the shading to be. So you just start, so you have like this. So then you outline the outer circle. If you want, you can make it really dark, so I made it dark. And then start shading from the out to in. Until you reach the lines, and after you reach that line, like chord, stop coloring. So you have like a nice gradient going on here, and I know that it's not really perfect, but we'll fix that later. So yeah, so then you have to like make it a little more straighter. You need to make the outer circle straighter. So I'm gonna make it more straight by filling in some places. So guys, I'm done with making the dark blue line. So guys, yeah, so I'm done with that. So next what you need to do is you're gonna change your color with light blue, and you're gonna make like a line from, you gotta make a dot here and make a dot here. So you have like another chord going like this. So if I bring a scale, you see it's another chord here. Look, it's a chord from the end. So you have to start filling the shading in that inside the chord. So let's do it. So now do the same gradient with the other colors like green and purple. This is how it turned out after I added a little bit of water and mixed all of the colors. So guys, the first shout out goes to Hisham Shamir and Rahmat Shamir. So you both get a shout out. And that's it. So if you guys want to see more episodes from this season, comment down below about ideas you want to know how to draw. And if you want a shout out in the next video, comment down below #LeftLapSquad, so you'll be featured in my next video. And be sure to click that subscribe button and click the bell so you'll never miss another video.
So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.